Hey guys, today I have this with me. This is a Nokia 6.1. This is a successor to the Nokia 6 which I reviewed earlier in the previous video. So now I have this phone with me and this is my personal phone. I already opened up the box, but this is still sort of going to be an unboxing video because I had not opened the rest of the things inside the box yet. So I told you before I opened it, but so let's open it. And this is how it came to me first. This is the phone itself. But let's first leave the phone behind and just check out the rest of the stuff. This is the SIM ejector tool, you can see, and use it although. And this is the charging port which you attach the power brick. And this is some paperwork here. This is some paperwork and what we have inside this. Let's check this out. And this is the power brick, along with some rather budget headphones, I must say. And also in the box is this warranty card, 1 year included. And this is the device itself. It's a rather beautiful looking device, as you can see. It has a conventional 16:9 aspect ratio, and it also has these beautiful orange copper accents along the sides, which give it a rather premium look. And it's also very solid and heavy to hold, which gives a rather reassuring heft to it. It has these, if you notice, it has these orange copper accents along the sides, and it has the headphone jack up top along with the type C charger on the bottom and the speakers on this side. It's a single camera, and this is the fingerprint sensor. It's rather quick, you can see. It opens rather quickly, and this is the device. It has got a very nice display. It's an LCD display, but it's rather nice. It's a full HD display, and this device has a Snapdragon 630 processor, which is pretty snappy, and it has 3 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of ROM, and has a 3000 mAh battery, and it also has a 16 megapixel rear camera and 8 megapixel front facing camera, and it also has this Bothi thing, you can see, and also has this Lumia's Pro mode, which you can adjust the shutter speed, ISO, white brightness, white balance easily. It's quite easy to use, and it's a very nice feature. One thing I forgot to mention also was that this phone can also record videos up to 4K, and it has this feature Nokia calls Special Audio OZO, and the theory is that it has 3 microphones, which can all record up to some great audio quality. Plus, this phone also has some pretty nice performance in between. So guys, this is unboxing video of the Nokia 6.1. I'll be uploading a full review shortly afterwards, so please make sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned.